Hello, today's video is going to be about saving a level, so I'll show you how to move from level to level. So let's see here, show you the basics. Here, for example, it starts off at level 5, and if you go to level 1, it starts off at level 1, we can kind of go to the main menu and start from level 1, or we can go to level 5 if we've reached level, wait, was that level 5? Let's see here, if I've set it up or not. Kind of forgot. So no, not level 5 yet. So if you go to level 4, for example, it shows you it's saved. So it's really easy to do. It's not that easy, but you know, you can get your head around it once I explain it. And you go to level 4. So we're going to start off with level 5, and we're going to set this up. So the first thing we're going to set up is going to be, we're going to go into the level blueprints, and as you can see, there's no saving here. If we go to level blueprints, open level blueprints, and we go to begin event, play, and so I'm just going to explain it, so I'm not as advanced as I would have hoped. So anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to open level 5. So sorry, the other video is kind of messed up. Open level 5, and then blueprints. Open blueprint level, and of course I'm not as good as I would have hoped. So I might have to copy and paste just to be able to explain this. So anyways, here we have it. We're going to follow through it. But it's really simple. First we're going to check, does save game exist? This is going to take in a slot name, and the slot name is important. It's a variable, you've got to create a variable. And don't just do that, what I did, oops. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click and promote the variable. And this, you got to have this, once we compile this, you gotta have this the same for all of them. So we're gonna go to this slot name and change the take this. This has to be the same for all the levels that are saving, and we have to kind of copy and paste it here. Or if you can remember it, save game 1, whatever, it should work. So next we just have to do not check for a branch, because if you say false and if it's true, then it's not going to do it. But you could do a branch, but I'm not going to do a branch. Branch should only be done in the main menu. So you can add a branch, and then you can connect this, and you can say, okay, create only if there isn't one. But if there's even level 1, if there's a level 1 and you're on level 5, then it will never create, because it's true. So it has to be here. For the other levels, in order to save, you have to be here. What we're going to do is create save game object. And from here we're going to promote this to variable, and rename it. Rename to saver subclass. Just keep all the names the same throughout your levels. This is the level blueprint. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to cast to save game for Slayer, which is what I have made. I can get there, which is what I've made here. No, not here, sorry. Here, and this is as simple as so we go into blueprints, and we're just going to save game, and we just create it and call it whatever you want to call it. Okay, but you have to refer to this. Oops, sorry. Here. So yeah. So next we want to get the current level. Get current level name. This is what we're going to save, and what we got to do next is save game slot or something. Yes, it has to be that one. And what we got to do is we got to drag and drop this one here, the slot name here, and the saver subclass here. Just check the slot name and check this is right. Yep, as long as this is here, it will save. You'll know what to load, and you'll know what to save. So when you save it, you can actually load. you can actually load the game from this slot, which is, think of it like a PlayStation slot. You know when you have like multiple PlayStation slots, save 1, save 2, save 3, and stuff like that. So yeah, what we gotta do here is we gotta do a slot set, and then we gotta just take this, and we gotta take that and leave it. Oh wait a minute, something isn't right. What was this? Level name. Level name. Get current level. No, something's not right. Whatever this is, I forgot what that was. Let's see if I can crack this code. No, that's not it. What was this? Level, what is this? Set parameter level name. Level name. No, that's not it. Something is off. I can't remember what I did. So anyways, I'll close this, I'll come back to you once I've figured it out. Maybe I could just copy and paste it, but that wouldn't be good for a tutorial. What is this thing? Oh, sorry. So from cast save for game select. Okay, gotta go back to explain. So we open the save game and we create level name test, and then we go up here, call this a string. I'm gonna call it level name, but it already exists. Okay, level name 2. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep it a string, and level name can be anything. So yeah, so that's in the save. That's in the save game for Slayer, and we just close that. So what we're gonna do now is from the cast to save game Slayer, we're gonna get level name. Get level name now. So set level name. So from here we gotta do set level name to this, whatever level this is, you're gonna save this. Whatever level this is on, you will be saving that to this game stop. I'm sorry, not the game stop, to the game slot. So let's see if I got everything correct. Yep. Check. And as long as I have the slot name correct, it should work well. So first, next I want to do a little check. Print string. Save level 5. Save level 5. And event begin play. Compile this. Let's go over here. Is this level 5? It should be. Okay, I'm not getting it. So I found out what wasn't working, and as you see, create save. You're gonna select the save game for Slayer, which is the same one, which is this. Just select this here, and they should all be working. This is the level 5 map, and let's see here. As you see, saved at level 5. As you can, if you can remember this map. Now we go to level main. Once we go to level main menu, we can start this level 5 from there. And level 5, loaded level 5, save level 5. Now I want to show you the. the loading. So this is the save. This is all for the save. Okay. Save only, and then it saves to the slot name. Slot name again is up here. Slot name is 1. Again, do not change that. Keep that same on every level. So you have to do this on every level blueprint and level blueprint. So that's like the that's up here. Blueprints, open level blueprint. This is it. On event begin play, you have to save it, or whenever you want to trigger something or something. Make sure you got that right. and the slot name, make sure you got the slot name right, or the same, and everything else is just fine. I keep this same as well on every level. So you have to create this. You can just click this and you can create parallel, or you can click this and you can create it up here if it isn't here. If you already have this, copy and paste it, you can do that. And let's go to the let's see the main menu, and I can show you how I load this level in. So up here, load level state. This may look a little messy, but this is simple. Just check, does the game save? Again, this has a slot name, and it's the same up down here, and the saver subclass. It's the same slot name and saver subclass, and it's all the same, and it's the same process except using a branch. Branch teaches us, this is just a check that we loaded it. These are completely unnecessary, but this is all that needs to happen. Open. I want you to load level 1. This is the level 1 map. If it's false, and I want you to, this is open level, and this will allow us to save. And if there's a save, then it's true. And this is again on button release. So again, the same process. On load, it's a bit just use a load games slot instead. And what we do here is we load the slot name, whichever slot level name has been given to it, and then level name is stored in the save game for Slote. So, and then we just move from load game from slot. So load game from slot, and then we use the saver subclass, and then we cast to save from game Slayer. So this is the same thing that was up here, save game for Slayer. And I know what we've got to do here. This one I'll show you, see if I can remember. And what we've got to do here, we can level name, get level name. So should I slow it down? So get level name, because we cast to game Slayer, we get the level name, and then we just open level by name. Okay, that's up here. Okay, I don't know what that is. Okay, so, and then we just have to run this, and that's it. Open level, it opens the level by name. So right now I'm going to do another test for you. So if I run this, that, as you can see, it's still level 5, and we can go further. We can let's go to level 1. Okay, when I run it, it's going to save it. Okay, so it loads it from the menu. So it's saved, but doesn't print anything because I didn't tell it to print anything. So then we can, from here, load level 1. So I can run. So let's say I play my game. This is a hacked version. I hacked it. Changed the version. So we just have to come here, kill this simple creature, and then we can move to level 2. Sorry. And this is level 2, and then we can load level 2, and then we can continue playing. And this is all using the same game slot name, okay? It's different levels that get saved, but in a different save. Once they're there, we just move forward. So this is here. So I quit, I come back to the game, I'm like, yeah, let's play. Let's keep on playing. So here, and as you can see, so yeah, the loading is done in the loading is done in the again, we're going back to it, and we've set it up so it comes back to this level. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, loading is in the main menu. I want to load it with a branch. If there is no save file, I want to open a level, and if there is a save file, I wanna load it. Okay, I want to load it, and that's simply it. That's all there is to it. It's just a branch. And yeah, as you can see, it's very nice. And if we go to level 1, just to show you level 1, to show you what it looks like, open level blueprint, and then we can go over here. Again, it's the same thing. Do not branch here, because if you branch, then it will not work correctly. And if we go into the slot name, you can see the save game one is here, save, and save a subclass is the same name. So yeah, that's it, and that's all there's to it. And it works. And on level 7, you can say, once he triggers a box, you can go to level 1, and you can save level 1 and you can start again, or give them an option or something like that. Thank you for watching.